my dear student, welcome to Nagesh Karasge Orchid School channel. Myself Hina Patel going to teach you 7th grade mathematics. Already we had started with our exponents and powers. Today we will see some more examples of a simplification. So, in the previous session we had tried to solve the simplifications with a very simple example. Today we will see with a positive and negative sign. So, we will try to solve here some example simplification. Here some examples are given to us as minus 4 to the power of 3. Means this base is multiplied 3 times. So, I will write here as minus 4 multiplied by minus 4 multiplied by minus 4. Now, just to recall the integers, you know when the power is, or we can say it is odd number when it is an minus a, or we can say the example is minus a to the power 3 times or 5 times, the always you will get as an product as an minus. So, here we will get as minus into minus is plus, plus into minus is minus. So, when you are seeing this power is 3 or 5 or 7, you will get the answer in a minus only. So, we will write minus, you know 4 4s are 16 and 16 4s are 64. This is your answer, that is minus 64. Minus 64 is the answer. Here we are having only one number, or that here we are having a 2. How to find out? We will write minus 3 as it is, and minus 2 is 3 times. So, I will multiply minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 3 times. Now, you know it is, this is 1 3 times minus, that will be answer will be minus. We can do by 2 method, or we will consider this also minus 3, then we are having a 4 times as a minus. So, answer will be always positive. So, first we will do with a positive, and I will show the second method. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24. Minus into minus is plus, plus into minus is minus, minus into minus is plus. So, answer is 24. Or we can do other method as minus 3 multiplied by, you know what is the answer of this, is nothing but minus 8. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, because you know when it is power is odd time, we will get as a negative integer. So, now minus into minus is plus, 8 3s are 24. Both the answer will be the same. You can use any method. Here one more example. Here we are seen with a 1 integer, we are having a 2 multiplication product form. We will see here with some more larger here. I will show both the methods of here also. Here we are having minus 3 into minus 3 2 times multiplied by minus 5 into minus 5 2 times. You know this, minus into minus is plus, 3 3s are 9 multiplied by minus into minus is plus, that is 5 5s are 25. So, when it is plus, we do not write a plus, we write only a number. Okay. So, what we will do here, we will write only a number, so it will not get confused for us, for you. Now, we can do the multiplication of 25. How much is 9s are, it is a single digit number, we will do directly here. So, 9 5s are 45 for carry, 9 2s are 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, that is 225. Another method I will show here, that is also the same. Here see the bases are different, bases are minus 3 and minus 5, but here the powers are same. Can I give a combined power to this? Yes, we can give the combined power. Here what will be here? So, now it is a whole power. Now, what is the multiplication of this? You know that minus into minus is plus, 3 5s are 15. Now it is a 15 square is nothing but 225. You can multiply if you don't know the square of this. Answer will be 225. Here also we are getting answer is 225. So in this way we can find this by two method. It is up to you which will you find easy method that you can use, and you have to try to solve step by step. Now we are having one more example here. So we will see here one more example, that is very multiplication similarly here, but we are having a multiplication power is again the same. By two method you can do, or I told that how we write in a exponential form, that is expanded form of that power, that method also you can do. So the number is minus 2 to the power 3 into 10 minus 10 to the power 3. Here we can say, we can write in this form also, minus 2 into minus 10 to the power 3. Now you know what is the multiplication of this? 10 2s are 20, minus into minus is plus, we can write is the power as 3. So what will be the 20 into 20? We can write in this form, 20 into 20 into 20, 3 times. What will be the answer? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 1, 2 and 3 0, you know magic of 0. So answer is nothing but an 8000. So in this way we have seen some more example to get your concept clear. So hope so you have understood this with various types of example, how to write or how to make the given exponents into the simplest form. So we will see some more example regarding the comparisons of this in the large. So one by one we will see. Compare the following. You are seeing here somewhat a very large number. I will give us very simple trick. So it will be more easy to understand. Compare 2.7 into 10 raised to power 12 and 1.5 into 10 raised to power 8. So here we are having the comparison. Just we have to compare first that what is a power here is 10 raised to power 12 is greater than that is 10 raised to power 8. Now therefore we can say 2.7 into 10 raised to power 12 is greater than 1.5 into 10 raised to power 8. What we had done, just we had compare here as a 10 raised to power 12 is greater than 10 raised to the power 8. Here similar another example, we are having 4 multiplied by 10 raised to 14 and 3 multiplied by 10 raised to 17. Here again we will see that 10 raised to 17 is greater than the 10 raised to 14. So therefore we can say that 4 into 10 raised to 14 is smaller than that of 3 into 10 raised to 17. Vice versa, you can say that it is 3 into 10 raised to 17 is greater than that of 4 into 10 raised to 14. So in this way you have to compare and you have to find out which is a greater. Now we will see some laws of exponents, multiplying the powers with the same basis. Powers with the same basis. These are the laws which we have to apply in the sums. So everyone have to know what are the laws which we will use in the exercise example. So laws of exponents and the multiplying the powers with the same basis. The word is the same base. Let us calculate 2 to the power 2 and 2 to the power 3. Here the bases are same, that is 2 and 2. Powers are different, that is 2, one power is 2 and one power is 3. So when 2 raised to 2 and multiplied by 2 raised to 3 can be written as 2 times 2 and 2 times 3. This you know very well. Now all the bases are same. Just open the bracket and write all the bases together. So what will be that? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, how many times? This is 2 times and this is 3 times, together is 5 times. So, 2 to the power 5. So, can we say that when the bases are same, the powers can be added? When bases are same, here the bases are 2 and 2. The powers are different, but when bases are same, powers can be added. I have showed here is 2 plus 3, that is nothing but the powers are added as 2 plus 3. So, what we got is 2 to the power of 5. So, note that the base in 2 to the power 2 and 2 to the power of 3 is the same, and the sum of the exponents, that is 2 and 3 is 5. The addition of an exponents, that is 3 and 2 is 5, that is we do as an sum. Here one more example we will see. So, you will understand here we are having the numbers as a 2 to the power 2 we are having here is minus 3 to the power of 4 multiplied by minus 3 to the power of 3. Here again the bases are same. So, powers can be added. Yes, we will write first it is in expanded form, that is in the simple form of 3 to minus 3 to the power 4. Now, you can use that it is a 4 times minus 3. So, you will get the product always in the positive. When it is 3 times, because that power is the odd, so you will get the product always in the negative. But what we are going to do here is bases are same, just we will write in a simplest form, that is minus 3 is multiplied 4 times and minus 3 is multiplied 3 times. Now, it is very similar, just we will open the brackets, that is square brackets, and we will write together all this minus 3, 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 how many time? It is 7 time. So, minus 3 to the power of 7. So, what we can say that minus 3, how you got the 7 is nothing but we added and powers, that is 4 plus 3, that is 4 plus 3 is 7. So, again note that the base is same and the sum of exponents, that is nothing but the power, is to be added, that is 4 and 3 is 7. So, this is the first law of an exponents. Everyone understood, I think so. When bases are same, exponents or we can say powers should be the sum. Now, these are the formulas, just I will read out one by one, when I will explain you, you will understand. So, I will read out this all the formulas here. Here the bases are same, a to the power m, a to the power n, bases are same. So, powers are added, that is a to the power m plus n. Here bases are same, but we are having here a division. When it is a division, the power should be subtracted, m minus n. Always when it is division, so m will be always greater than n. We can say that the division means is nothing but we write in a fraction form, that is upon form or by a raised to power m by a raised to power n. So, always when it is a division, when the bases are same, the exponent should be subtracted. Here we are having a raised to power m to the power n, here the power to the power. So, we can say here this get product, that is multiplication. So, a raised to power mn. Here a raised to power m multiplied by b raised to power m. Here you might be thinking here the bases are different, a and b are different, but here the exponents are same, that is m and m. So, we can write common here, already we had seen in the example also I had showed you. So, we can write a common exponent a into b to the power m, or we can say exponent m. Here a raised to m divided by b to the power of n. So, here bases are also different and exponents are also different. So, a raised to the power m, here it should be bracket. So, a upon b, I told always when it is a division we write in a form of an fraction or of the upon, or we can say by. So, a by b, that is a common power, that is m. Here a raised to 0 is always 1, is always 1. Here if I write 4 raised to 0 will be always 4. So, here we write as g1 is given as minus 1. When it is the even number, you will get answer as a plus. Already I had told you during the examples when we were solving, and if it is minus 1, it is the power is odd time or odd numbers, we get answer always in minus. These are the some formulas that we have to follow while solving the example. This you have understood somewhat. I know that you have not understood all, but when I will explain one by one, just you will recall that I had understood this. Yes, we are applying this type of an formula to solve. Now, dividing powers with the same base. Now, the same example, now we had seen the some formulas here. So, I will first explain in the detail and then we will go for the shortcut of this. Let us simplify that 3 raised to power of 7 or 3 raised to 7 divided by 3 raised to the power of 4. Now, first you know 3 is how many times? It is 7 times. So, we write as 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 7 times. Divide, I told we write always in upon form or the fraction form. So, it is 3 4 times. So, we will write 3 into 3 into 3 4 times. Now, you know that when it is a multiplication in the fractions, if it is possible to reduce, we will reduce. Here we are having a 4 3. This from the numerator we will cut 4 3. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So, how many are left? 1, 2 and 3 are left. So, we will write as 3 into 3 into 3 is nothing but 3 raised to power 3 or 3 raised to 3 is equal to, in short we can say it is 3 raised to the power 7 minus 4, because I told the formula that time when it is a division, when the bases are same, exponent should be subtracted. Exponent should be subtracted. So, what we are doing here? We are doing subtraction, that is 7 minus 4 is always 3 to the power 3 or 3 raised to 3. Thus, here 3 raised to 7 and 3 raised to 4, the basis is the same, and it is in the 3 raised to 7 divided by 3 raised to 4 becomes 3 raised to 7 minus 4. Already I had told you the formula. So, simplifying this we get as a 3 raised to 3 or 3 to the power 3. Similarly, if we have another example, we will not go for this lengthy procedure. If you get answer in MCQ or in filling the blanks, you can use that formula and you can find out the answer very easily. So, one more example we are having here is 5 to the power 6 divided to the 5 raised to the 2, or we can say 5 to the square. Here the bases are same, base is same 5 and 5. So, power should be subtracted. So, we can write here 6 minus 2. What is 6 minus 2 is 4. So, 5 raised to 4. So, in this way when it is in the MCQ or in the filling the blanks, you can write directly using the formula. When it is a solving sum or simplify or write in the simple form, then you have to go for these steps. Hope so, my dear students. We are very easy, this both the examples similar, just we had constructed another example here and I had tried to explain you here. So, we can do this dividing powers with the help of a same basis by using its formula. Now, taking the power of a power, already I had showed you in the formulae, power to the power, or we can say power of a power. Here we were having in the formulae as a raised to m to the power n. So, what we had done? We had done the multiplication, we had written a raised to mn. Here also we are having some example, we will see here a raised to 3 to the power 2 and 3 raised to 2 to the power 4. So, it is power to the power or exponents to the exponent. It means that 2 raised to 3 is multiplied 2 times with itself. With itself means what? This is multiplied 2 times, that is 2 raised to power 3 into 2 raised to power 3 into 2 raised to power 3. That is 2 times we have to multiply this 2 raised to power 3 in this way. Then you know how to write this in the simple form. Now, you can use the formulae. When base are same, power should be added. Here the 2 and 2 bases are same. So, we write common base and power should be added is 3 plus 3 is which formula we had used? A raised to m into a raised to n gives m plus n. So, here when you add this both 3 plus 3 we get a 6, 2 to the power 6 is equal to nothing but 2 to the 3 into 2 is nothing but we are multiplying this as I told as mn is 3 multiplied by 2. The power are just multiplied, that is 3 2s are 6. So, we can do by both the method. You can write in this form first, the powers it is 2 times square means it is 2 times, this 2 to the power 3 or 2 raised to 3 should be multiplied 2 times, or you can multiply, the only we are having here only 2 here. So, you can just multiplication directly of power to the power, considering this is m and n. So, it is mn. So, we can say this 3 2s are 6. Now, we will you got this as 2 to the power 3 to the power 2 is 6. Similarly, we will see here 3 to the power 2 to the power 4. 3 raised to 2 to the power is 4. So, common 3 raised to power 2 to the power 4 is written in the form of 3 raised to 2 or 3 square is multiplied 4 times. Now, base are same, power should be added. So, what we will do? 3, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So, what is the sum of this? Is 8. So, 3 to the power 8, we observe that 8 is a product of 2 into 4 also. It is nothing but a multiplication, or we can say product of 2 into 4 or 4 into 2. So, we write as 3 to the power 2 multiplied by 4 is nothing but 3 to the power 8, 3 raised to 8. In this way, we had tried to solve this by using the formulae. You have to remember this, where we are applying when the bases are same, what should be done to the powers or exponents, and we have to do step by step and we have to find out this simple form of it. Now, one more example we will see that what would be the 7 to the 7 square to the power 10 or raised to 10 would be the equal to this all. We will see as 2 to the power 3 to the power 2 is nothing but 2, multiplication of the powers is 6, 3 to the power 2 to the power 4 is again multiplication as 4 2s are 3 to the power 8, and 7 to the power 2 to the power 10 is again multiplication of this, or we can say product of these powers is 20, and here a raised to 2 square a square raised to 3 is nothing but again the product of this powers is a to the power 6. Now, if it is mn 3, we can write it is nothing but a product, so we can say it is 3m. From this we can generalize the for any non-zero integers as a, where m and n are whole numbers, where m and n will be the whole number. Powers will be always a whole number. So, in this way we have tried to write down the powers when the power to the power is given to us. So, in short we can say that a raised to power m to the power n we can write as a to the power mn. So, we will see some examples, so it will be more clear to you. The multiplying the powers with the same exponents, powers with the same exponents. So, here 2 raised to 3 and 3 raised to 3. Write this 2 into 2 into 3 time, 3 into 3 into 3 time, have a multiplication or make a pair of this. So, 2 into 3, 2 into 3, 2 into 3. So, 6, 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6. It is 6, 6, 6. We will write base is 6. How many time it is? 3 times. So, we write as exponent, we can say power is 3, 6 raised to 3. Observe the 6 is the product of the base 2 and 3. We can see that it is nothing but it is the product of base 2 and 3. Again I will repeat, here the powers are same, base are different, base are different. Now you can observe that when the base are different, when the powers or exponents are same, this is nothing but it is just a product of it. 3 2s are 6 and is 3 common, so we write as 3. Similar, we will see one more example. Here it is 4 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 4. So, we will say that 4 to the power 4 is written in the 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. 3 to the power 4, or we can say 3 raised to 4, we can write as 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 4 times. Make a set of this 4 into 3, 4 into 3, 4 into 3, 4 into 3. Now, you know what is the product of this 4 times 3 is 12 into 12 into 12 into 12 into 12. How many times 12? It is 4 times. So, 12 raised to 4, or we can say 12 4th power of 12th. What we can conclude here by observing this? Yes, when the exponents are same or powers are same, we just multiplied the base. 4 3s are 12 and the common power, that is a 4, we write as 12 raised to 4. So, in this way we have tried to solve some example with related to some formulas, and I told that time only we will just have rules of exponents. One by one we are finding the rules and we are trying to solve the example related to it. We had gone through some formulas, just you have to remember that formulas and you have to apply during the solving the example. Hope so, my dear student, you have understood. Go through some exercise sums, it will be more easy for you. Thank you very much.